Welcome to Luxury Car TV, your destination for timeless automotive legends, roaring engines, and high-performance classics brought back to life. The 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle with the monstrous 555 big block is nothing short of an icon in American muscle car history. It's a fusion of classic styling and raw, unfiltered power, making it a dream machine for any true car enthusiast. The Chevelle was already a beast in its SS 454 trim back in 1970, but when upgraded with a custom-built 555 cubic inch big block engine, it becomes a whole different animal. This isn't just a car anymore, it's a statement of dominance on both the street and the strip. Starting with the design, the 1970 Chevelle carries one of the most aggressive and muscular shapes of the golden muscle era. With a wide stance, high-shouldered body lines, dual headlights, and an intimidating blacked-out grille, it projects power even when standing still. Chrome bumpers and optional racing stripes add to its bold, classic appeal. The iconic cowl induction hood is more than just for looks, it feeds fresh air to the powerhouse beneath. Everything about the exterior speaks of speed, force, and a no-nonsense attitude. Under the hood lies the heart of the beast, the 555 big block. This engine is a bored-and-stroked version of Chevrolet's legendary big block platform. With 555 cubic inches, or roughly 9.1 liters of displacement, this engine is designed for maximum output. Depending on the build, this engine can deliver anywhere from 700 to over 1,000 horsepower. It's typically fitted with high-performance aluminum heads, a forged steel crankshaft, forged pistons, and a roller camshaft. Many builds also feature a high-rise intake manifold and a custom carburetor or FE system for optimum airflow and fuel delivery. The torque numbers are staggering, often pushing over 700 pound-feet, which means instant throttle response and tire shredding performance. Pair that with a heavy-duty transmission like a turbo 400 automatic or a beefed-up 4-speed manual, and you've got a drivetrain that's ready to take a pounding. Most builders upgrade the rear end to a 12-bolt or even a 9-inch Ford axle to handle the extreme torque. Suspension upgrades are also common, from boxed control arms to coilover setups, ensuring this monster stays planted on the pavement inside the car. The Chevelle combines vintage style with modern upgrades depending on the restomod choices. Classic bucket seats, a staple of muscle cars, offer comfort and support, while the original dash might be enhanced with digital gauges or auxiliary meters to monitor the engine's vitals. A sport steering wheel and Hurst shifter might be present, giving the driver full command over this brute. Many builds also include updated sound systems, air conditioning, and even roll cages if the car is built for track days or drag racing. The sound of the 555 big block is another highlight. The deep, guttural idle tells you this car isn't playing around. Once the throttle is opened, it roars to life with a thunderous growl that echoes the spirit of true American muscle. Whether through long tube headers, dual exhausts, or high-flow mufflers, the exhaust note is raw and aggressive, capturing attention wherever the car goes. Performance-wise, the Chevelle 555 is a straight-line rocket. With enough power to easily push the car into the low 10s or even 9s on a properly prepped drag strip, it can outpace many modern sports cars. The combination of big cubic inches and old-school simplicity means less electronics and more mechanical feel. That makes it a favorite for those who appreciate the driving experience as much as raw numbers. Still, it's not just about quarter-mile times. Many of these cars are built to handle street duties too, with improved brakes, modern tires, and tuned suspensions to manage all that power more safely and confidently. Visually, a 555 Chevelle often carries custom paintwork, deep dish wheels, wide rear tires, and subtle badging that hints at what's lurking beneath. It's a car that demands attention and respect, whether parked at a show or flying down the highway. It's part of a breed that defined an era and continues to inspire gearheads today. Every time the key turns in the ignition and that big block rumbles to life, it delivers a thrill that few modern machines can match. This kind of build is more than just speed and power. It's a tribute to an era where performance mattered most and where drivers had a real connection with their cars. The 1970 Chevelle with a 555 big block isn't just a high-horsepower build, it's a symbol of what muscle cars stand for: power, attitude, and pure driving excitement. If you enjoyed this video and love classic muscle and performance machines, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Luxury Car TV family for more automotive legends brought to life.